Welcome to Blogging Good Food, your go-to source for mouth-watering vegan recipes and culinary inspiration. Today, we are diving into the world of delectable pasta salads, perfect for any occasion. Whether you are a seasoned vegan or just exploring plant-based options, we have got you covered. Let's get started. We are exploring a range of vegan salad dressings that will take your pasta salads to the next level. From creamy tahini to zesty lemon vinaigrette, these dressings are a game changer. Delicious vegan salad recipes to tempt your taste buds. These dishes are not only delicious but also packed with wholesome ingredients. Craving some comfort food? We present our vegan potato salad that's creamy and satisfying. Minus the dairy, it's a crowd pleaser at picnics and BBQs. Now, this slide is for the health-conscious folks. Explore raw vegan recipes that are as vibrant as they are nutritious. Dive into a world of colorful salads that will leave you feeling energized. Now, let's sweeten the deal with some vegan dessert ideas. Indulge guilt-free in treats like vegan banana bread and more, all delicious and cruelty-free. We are sharing some essential tips and tricks for creating the perfect salad dressing, ensuring your pasta salads are bursting with flavor. There you have it, folks, a tantalizing journey through the world of vegan pasta salads, dressings, and more, categorized and ready for you to explore. If you want the full recipes and detailed instructions, head over to our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more delectable recipes, tips, and tricks. Thanks for tuning in to Blogging Good Food, where delicious meals compassionate. Until next time, happy cooking!